finally got our vest. It showed up. If you're watching the previous video, I ordered, or I've been wearing, you see it in a lot of my videos, one of the first MFG vest. I have their leather vest, and I have their short mesh vest, which both are great. The short one, I wish was a little longer. That was my own fault. I should have checked. But I wore it on my trip, and on hot days, it was nice. Anyways, I had ordered a custom vest, and it didn't make it for the trip, but it's here now. It showed up a couple days ago. So when they say 5 to 7 weeks, for me, it was 7 weeks. I haven't opened it, so I'm kind of excited to do so, and I'm going to get it right now. Hold on. So just realize it's not really a review video, because I've been very happy with their stuff. There's no complaints. And everybody I show the vest to that I got, the full leather one, they're always amazed at how thick it is, right? Like, so if you want a light vest, maybe the mesh one. If you want a full thick vest, yeah. So I also did ordering a custom vest from them video, just to show you guys the process. But also, if you guys want to go back and see it and look and see what the options were, there you can see. Oh, I ordered this delivered like dragon skin. Yeah, because I wanted something different, right? Oh, that's dragon skinny for sure. I ordered a size smaller, so the normal one I got was a 3X. Because I wanted to be able to wear it over like a jacket and hoodies and things like that. But on the warmer days, I figured custom vest with a t-shirt, shirt like this, I'm good to go. Oh, that's sharp. That is sharp. And because I'm here in Canada, I'm gonna go back over. I got a plaid insert. Check that out. Dragon skin. And you could change this, but I like the diamond. Oh, and then you also see I got it longer, so it's a longer, because again, I wanted to make sure. Plus I got zippers here, which normally you don't get anything there. You can have a lace, but I wanted zippers just in case, you're like, had too much buffet, whatever it is. First MFG. Oh, and a few things I did change for sure. These are zippers now. Zippers in here, because the button was good, but I found with gloves it was hard to get the button. Zipper I like better. Oh, I didn't even notice that. I may have asked for a zipper and I had no idea. So the snap there, there's a zipper here. Is that like a vent zipper? I don't even know what that is. There's a zipper here. What is that? There is a zipper. Like there's a zip on each side. There's a zipper here and a zipper here. Like, I'm guessing, that's, because there was a thing that said you can get extra pockets. Sweet Lord, you could open that up and it's got pockets inside. Look at that. It's like one giant pocket here. They say it gave you 6 extra pockets. And I was like, I don't understand where those pockets are going, but I want it. And that's where it is. Right there. And then you zip that up and it stays kind of hidden inside there. These I kept normal, because you could go with the zippers if you wanted, but I didn't want that because you lost a little sunglass holder, which I like. So, again, personal preference. And I'm ready. Are you ready for my awesome checkered insert? Yeah, you are. That's nice leather too. I upgraded the leather. Yep, because it's a zip out liner, full plaid. I'm all about being Canadian, and I did get the armor pouch in the back. It doesn't come with armor, but if you wanted to buy some, you had the ability to put it in. Now the key is, does it fit? Because that would suck if it didn't fit. I lost like 12 pounds on my trip. Ready? I'm gonna stand up. You may not be able to see me. Hold on. Like a freaking glove. Look at that. Oh yes, indeed. Yeah, I don't know if it feels thicker. Maybe a little thicker than the other one, because it's a premium leather. but it also hasn't been broken in yet, right? So this is softer, this is thicker. It definitely feels a little thicker maybe in the back.
Oh, I like this. It chose well. It chose well.
Yeah, anyway, if you guys want to see the ordering a custom vest from First MFG, check it out on the site. It's awesome. This fits me perfectly. I'm glad I didn't go a size smaller, and I'm glad I didn't get the 3XL again, because that, look at that, waist-wise and everything, like it's right. Yes? Oh, that's sharp.
That's so sharp. I'm so happy.
All right, guys, go order one if you want one. If you don't want one, don't order it. But if you do order it, yeah, links down below.